what type of songs are you making? Like, what do you want to do in the future to Besharam Londe?
Oh wow, nice question.
बहुत टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन.
बहुत टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन. इसलिए तो आपको बोला मैंने.
Why Besharam Londe? Do you all know what you all are doing? Are you all actual rock stars or are you all just homeless guys with guitars?
I mean, it can be a little bit of
Job.
both.
Hi, my name is Rivan.
And my name is Abhidan.
And we're just normal 7th graders trying to game all day and trying not to study. We never thought we would be having a podcast of our own. But here we are for the first time. And we don't know how it's gonna go.
Hopefully it should go good. I think we have Besharam Londe with us.
Yeah.
Besharam Londe, yes.
Why Besharam Londe? Out of all the names.
Why Besharam Londe? Because it connected from like the kind of guys we are from the band, like Akshat, me, Chirayu, Anish.
Yeah.
तो वो बेशर्मी वाली जो फीलिंग,
वो हमें दिख के आती है.
so we're like बेशरम and Londe, तो like because we all are guys, so like बेशरम Londe, so the feeling and all of us together.
Nice
I mean,
name.
how did you guys come up with, like, you know, let's start a podcast or do something regarding that? Like, क्या क्यों आपके दिमाग में क्या है?
So we were at the sir's house, the
Okay.
guy who teaches me guitar, you know.
Okay.
And I started asking a bunch of questions about his band.
Okay.
I think the band was something along the name of Besharam Londe.
Okay.
And it ended up he asked me if I wanted to start a podcast.
Oh.
And I said, yeah.
Okay, and that's how
Yeah.
you just ended up here.
Huh?
That's how you
Yes.
just guys ended up here.
Yes.
No, like I'll ask you a few questions. I mean, since
Yes.
you're doing that, like, tell me a little bit about you. Like, what do you do? Which school do you go?
I go to Vidya Valley School.
And you, Abadan?
I go to Orchid School,
Oh,
just near about
cool.
1 or 2 kilometers.
Which school did you go to?
I went to St. Joseph from Shalapur. It's one of nice schools, St. Joseph School, where it's yeah. Whatever. I went there.
Yes.
If my mama is watching this, she'll shout at me if I say this. But yeah, it's an amazing school. And where did you go for the school? Did he go to the school?
I went to SNBP.
SNBP. Do you know that? It's hard me. So he studied in Pune itself. Yeah, Raghav also is there. Okay, fine, cool. Your friend Raghav. Okay. I am not from here. I'm from like this Sholapur. So where are you from?
I'm originally from Nasik.
Uh-huh.
And my dad is from Punjab and my mom is Maharashtra.
Wow, that's so nice. You guys are from here, right?
Huh?
You guys are from here. Where are you
Yes.
So I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh.
from? And you?
Here only.
Here only.
Here only.
Okay, fine. So like, shoot your questions. Ask me a few questions, whatever you want to know.
So, how did y'all all meet? How did y'all form a band?
One day I was just sitting over here. Last August to September, I was sitting over here and Akshat gave me a call. So Akshat said, Daryl, are you free? What are you doing? I said, yeah, what happened? Like, he's like, no, I just want to come and have a word with you regarding, I have a song which I have made for my band. His band is like, you know, Mavericks बोल के एक band है. So he plays there. He's like, I've written this song and I want you to produce the song or to make the song. Then I was like, okay, fine, chill यार, आ जाओ घर पे. So he came back over here and then we just sat outside there in the gallery. It was raining very heavily and then I just played a normal guitar tune and he sang over it. And that's when I understood like
Some kind of connection.
yeah, and it's so cool. मतलब मजा आ गया. Like, you know, when we played that.
Then where did everyone else come from?
That is the
That happened
story.
later on.
So basically, we both started, but we never decided to keep the name. We didn't figure out the name yet. It was just like he's saying I play the guitar and we do stuff and stuff and stuff. Then people came and I met Chirayu through a different band. where I used to play.
I used to play for the other band at the same time.
So
Well-
I had a different band, he had a different band. So there was this band called Revive.
Revive.
Revive, yeah. So I was a member of that, and Chirayu was the drummer of that band.
Acha.
Okay, and so I met him there, and I just asked him like, would you like to just come and jam, not make a band, just come and jam. So Akshat and Chirayu, they knew each other, and now I
They
knew
knew
Akshat.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically these both, everybody are of the same age. I'm a little bit older. These guys are like 19, 20, 21. So, so the point is like that's how I met Chirayu, and then we just came together. We had a shoot, but still we didn't know the name of the band, Besharam Londe.
Ah.
But one of my friend Gaurav, he had suggested me way back about keeping the name of an album called Besharam Londe. But then I could not connect to it. But the moment I met these guys, everybody were like Besharam, everybody were like all the Londes, and then I was like, Besharam Londe, why not make it a band instead of an album? And that's how we came up with a name called Besharam Londe. Man. That's so cool.
One of the most badass names put in.
So yeah,
Yes.
बोलो क्या बोलना है बोलो.
There's a backstory why I called Daryl.
हाँ बोलो.
Daryl.
I just had a breakup, dude.
He just had a breakup.
Okay.
That day, and what the last word she said was, "You cannot do anything in music. I'm gonna call Daryl." I called Daryl, and I was like, "भाई, गाना खत्म करते एक."
गाना
अरे
बनाना
वाह,
है.
अरे वाह.
हाँ तो Mavericks का उसका जो बैंड था ना,
Yeah.
उसके लिए बनाना था उसको.
So I just came up with that idea that I have to complete a song with him. Instead, we connected. It started raining.
It started lightning, thundering, and I was like, wow,
Whoa.
amazing. We were just missing a cup of coffee, but besides that, everything was like perfect. And then we just like, wow, it's amazing. And so
Wow.
that was the first song that we made. और वही पहला गाना we are going to release the coming month.
Yep.
Come on.
Yeah, I guess you heard it, right?
Huh? Yeah.
You heard it, right? Yeah.
Early release.
So what are the other plans of your band? Any new song or any new idea coming up?
A new idea, a new song.
Yeah, why not?
I mean, the thing is, like, we have like a lot of songs.
Yeah.
But the thing is, neither of us is stable. Either I'm somewhere doing something, he's
I'm
somewhere.
performing somewhere.
He's performing every
I'm
weekend.
doing my college as well. So.
Anish also is playing there. So, but we have recorded a couple of songs, which is done. One song we will be releasing it next month
Next
probably,
month.
the first week
That-
of October or somewhere around that.
Middle
Even
of
you have heard the song, and he's heard the song.
How do you like the song?
It might be good.
It might be good.
I haven't heard it.
You didn't hear it. The guitar parts when you came inside.
You were playing it.
You said, see, it was like our song. It was like our song.
Huh?
That song. That was the song. Oh my god. Anyways.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's the first song. He was the first guy to like listen to it. Yeah.
And how you met your guitarist Anish?
Oh. Good story. Good
That's a long story. I mean, he was not supposed to be.
No, he wasn't.
He was not like a part of the band. Like when we started the band,
Originally,
there was another guitarist.
It's
No,
okay.
like it's fine. I mean, नाम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But one of our close friends only. Like we all were four tight friends. But then due to some reasons, because even he was playing like way more,
many bands he was playing with many bands.
and then we couldn't give time.
Ah.
Right.
So we decided like we'll get a person who's like completely into it, and that's how we met Anish.
Yeah.
Like very cool guy,
Very chill.
very chill. Yeah, very nice.
How do you know Anish was a guitarist?
Because he used to play the guitar.
We saw him on Instagram. And we were like,
I mean, yeah. So basically, these guys knew each other like mutually, and then he
Acha.
suggested like there's this guy Anish. But the thing with Anish was he plays the bass. But I also play the bass.
Yeah.
We play everything. But the thing is, I wanted someone to play the guitar specifically, and Anish is really good at that. So we decided like why not pull
Give him
Anish
the
and
guitars, yeah.
give him the guitars and play the guitar, and that's how Anish is there. Yeah.
So, how did you all get into music itself, in general?
I have to go like centuries back if you will talk about it. I mean, like you can start with Akshat. आप बताओ यार पहले कैसे like music में कैसे आए आप?
My mother pushed me into it. Very good thing. Thank you, mom.
Thank you, auntie.
Yeah. So I was maybe around your age, even younger than you. There was some kind of event in our society, New Year event था. So she said कि तू कुछ तो गा दे आप.
आपकी मम्मी ने बोला वैसे स्टोरी
Same one, same one. Same one.
हाँ फिर
Oh, it's a canon event, dude. She said sing something. I liked Arjit Singh. She said no.
हाँ
तू पंजाबी गाएगा.
पंजाबी गाएगा वो हाँ
वो नगाड़ा नगाड़ा I sang. I still remember I was standing still. रंग पूरे दी रंग रंगी. And everyone started clapping. I felt like wow, this is something I need to do. From there I started it. I was in Nasik at that time.
Ah.
I came to Pune. In SNBP, we had this organization named Torrents. So Torrents introduced me to hard rock, metal, thrash metal, especially Mradul sir, Gaurav sir, Prem sir. These guys just guided me throughout my journey. And then one of the main vocalists who taught me everything on the stage and everything, Uday Ayyar.
ओके कूल
Agni.
सो बेसिकली
Ayyar.
अक्षत जो है ना कंप्लीटली ऐसा ट्रेंड बंदा ही था मतलब वो फ्रंट मैन जो बोल सकता हूँ ना मैं आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सिंग लॉट ऑफ पीपल परफॉर्म एट गिग्स बट विद अक्षत देयर वाज यू नो लाइक वेरी रॉ एनर्जी जो विच आई कैन से विच आई सी इन माई सेल्फ पर मुझे हिंदी आती नहीं तो मैं हिंदी गाने की कोशिश करूंगा भी नहीं
कोई नहीं.
तो फिर मैंने बोला कि अक्षत इज ऑलरेडी रेडी ही इज परफॉर्म्ड at various places with different bands, different genres. So then I decided कि like Akshat, I asked him like let's start a band, and he was like हाँ ठीक है मैं भी चालू कर
ठीक है हाँ
He was just 19, you know, like हाँ ठीक है करें मुझे क्या करूँगा मैं like chill.
चलेगा.
Even I didn't have an idea कि क्या करना है,
हाँ.
but he was like हाँ ठीक है चलो करते हैं, and that's how we started everything. And yeah.
So how did you start?
How did I start?
Centuries ago.
Okay, so long time ago, I was like your age.
Again.
Everybody are like your age only. We didn't even know what's a podcast, but you're starting a podcast, so it's a good thing. I was your age, and my uncle was into music. He used to play the guitar. Yeah, he and right now he's a director in the Bollywood films and Marathi films. His name is Agnel Roman.
Huh?
Yeah, so Agnel Roman. So
Agnel Roman.
yeah, so that's how I came into this thing of playing music. You know, my mother was completely against it. I mean, she's still against it, but it's fine. She loves me. That's so. Yeah, I started learning the guitar by myself, like basic few chords, jo bhi, and then I couldn't sing.
Yes.
But then I figured out eventually with a lot of practice, even a normal person can sing,
Yeah.
can write music, and can play any instrument that he loves. So I mean, that's what you do, right? You play the guitar, so you guys sing also, I guess. So that's how we all learn, which is very nice. That's how my journey also started, very like humble and from a very small place. And yeah, now we have Besharam Londe, like yeah. So yeah, what more do you have for me?
You ask us.
Acha, we must ask you. Okay, I'll ask you. The bands that you listen to.
Huh?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Hard metal bands. Linkin Park, Fall Out Boys.
Wow. And you.
I listen to whatever my dad plays in the
Whatever
car.
is that place. Metallica, nice.
Yes.
Dad listens to like Ozzy Osbourne. See, I feel so proud. I mean,
Wow.
there's Metallica, there's Ozzy, and then again who? Fall Out Boys, and you said Guns N' Roses.
Nirvana.
So like
These are all the heavy.
heavy.
Like us.
Heavy like yes, like them. Wow. I mean, I'm feeling ashamed of myself. Like, why is Besharam Londe not heavy? But we are
We are
a bit.
a bit.
No,
bit.
what are you
पूरा
see
building
it?
करना है.
हाँ?
Building करना है.
Building
बस.
करना है, हाँ.
Heavy.
बिल्डर है हम. ये बिल्डर है हमारे.
ये भी हमारे बिल्डर है. इसके पापा भी बिल्डर है.
Actually.
हाँ. चलो yeah. So
तो-
तो
what type of songs are you making? Like, what do you want to do in the future to Besharam Launde?
Oh wow, nice question.
In the
बताओ
future.
यार.
बहुत टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन.
बहुत टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन, इसलिए तो आपको बोला मैंने. हाँ, बोलो.
यार बेशरम लॉन्डे की जो भी गाने हैं ना, इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड लॉन्डे मतलब बंदे हो गए. तो जो कॉमन मैन है
हाँ.
वो क्या देखता है, क्या सफ़र करता है, सफ़र भी नहीं मतलब इंजॉय भी कर रहा है ना, उसको अच्छा भी लग रहा है अगर. सो वी आर राइटिंग सॉन्ग्स ऑन दैट.
ये अक्षत का पर्सपेक्टिव है, ठीक है.
Yeah.
वेरी
ये बहुत-
वेरी
बहुत emotional,
yes,
हाँ,
yes.
हाँ.
तो माय पर्सपेक्टिव
अरे लेकिन लौंडे के साथ बेशरम भी है ना.
नहीं तो वही पार्ट मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. तो अक्षत का जो पॉइंट है,
मेरा सॉन्ग राइटिंग.
हाँ, सॉन्ग राइटिंग के हिसाब से
हाँ.
बोल रहा है वो, तो इमोशन के हिसाब से नहीं बोल रहा. लाइक द वे ही राइट्स द सॉन्ग्स, बिकॉज ही इज द मेन लिरिसिस्ट ऑफ द बैंड, सो ही राइट्स इट. तो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव क्या था, बेशरम लॉन्डे मींस लाइक यू नो एवरी गाय डज छोटी बहुत मस्ती होती है ना. कभी कभी फॉर एग्जांपल यू ask your mama for something that you want, like you know you want a laddu, you try to convince her, or you play games with your mama, you make masti ki, like instead of taking one laddu you go for a couple of laddus. So वो एक innocence होता है ना वो, which is innocence with a little बेशर्मी. तो that is my perspective towards the band. And anyways ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, like no matter how grown a man is, he's still a kid.
Yes.
तो yeah,
बिगेस्ट किड इन
लगता है, ठीक है,
अच्छी बात है.
अच्छी बात है. So that's the main point of Besharam Launde. Like it should resonate with all the boys. I guess probably, yeah. Some maybe not.
बेशरम कितना होना वो आपके बैंड में ज्यादा मैटर करता है कि नहीं?
आपको क्या लगता है अभी हमको देख के?
आप बेशरम लगते ही
बेशरम लगते नहीं हो?
नहीं
नहीं क्या हो?
लगते ही हो.
लगते ही हो. हाँ, तो यही पॉइंट है, मतलब बेसिकली.
लेकिन गाने में लगना चाहिए.
वो तो आप when you listen to the song आपको तभी पता चलेगा. फिर आप तब भी बता सकते हो
जल्दी.
कि हाँ बेशर्मी लगती है उसमें.
तो लाइक माय क्वेश्चन अर्लियर बहुत ये वाला रिस्पॉन्स दिया, पर मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा था कि विल यू स्टार्ट डूइंग लाइक रॉक हेवी इन द लाइक फ्यूचर?
Yeah, मतलब it's a rock band only.
It's a rock band.
Rock band ही है.
वी ऑल डू हेवी इन द फ्यूचर?
Yes, heavy. This guy is a metal singer, so वो करता है. मैं चिल्ला पुकार करता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत बीच में. So basically it's going to be heavy only. At the same time a little bit of वो नज़ाकत, softness,
हिंदुस्तानी टच.
वो उर्दू वाली फील थोड़ी बहुत जो है ना, वो थोड़ा वो भी डाल रहे हैं हम उसमें. That is the reason why I shifted towards this place and he also comes here. And so yeah, what you said, it's gonna be
heavy.
heavy also, and a lot of rock elements, like probably local train.
Yeah. Not even local. It's very very different.
Very
inspired from everything.
A bit of
Besharam
this,
Launde.
a bit of that, a bit of this, a bit of that. Yeah. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Yes. Good.
Yes.
Move on to the next one, I guess.
Let me think.
Let me think. Okay, let it
You
think.
handle the other बेशरम लौंडेस.
Oh.
चिरायू.
I mean, they handle themselves.
Yeah.
As with us, we don't have to handle each other. I mean, the best part about it is that only.
No, मतलब instructing that कि यही बजाना है.
नहीं,
we don't do that.
वो करते ही नहीं हैं.
That's the difference.
पॉइंट क्या है कि मतलब चिरायू आके
We
बोलता
do
है,
what we like.
हाँ, मतलब मैं उसको वी गिव ईच अदर एडवाइसेस कि बाबा ऐसा मेरे को चाहिए, ऐसा बजाओ आप.
Right.
तो वो ही विल टेक इट इन हिज वे. ही माइट यूज हिज आइडिएशंस और यू नो लाइक विजन्स ऑफ क्रिएटिंग दैट इन हिज ओन फॉर्म. तो ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम जैसे बोलते हैं वैसे ही बजाओ, वैसे कुछ नहीं है. वो ही सिंग्स अकॉर्डिंगली, आई प्ले अकॉर्डिंगली. तो वी ऑल आर लाइक डिफरेंट एंटिटीज टुगेदर put in a band.
Put in
So
a
you
band.
can call that a special potential in your band.
Oh, yes.
Special superpower.
हाँ, सुपर पावर, लाइक अ सुपर ग्रुप बोल सकते हो.
superpower.
Super group. Yes, you can say that because everybody have their own bands, but at the same time we
He's
come.
the Batman, I'm the Superman. Green Lantern and then Shaktiman.
Shaktiman. I mean, do you know Shaktiman?
Huh?
Do you know Shaktiman?
No.
Shaktiman, you don't know?
I don't know the character.
Yeah.
Character कुठला आहे?
कुठला?
कुठला?
अरे शक्तिमान रे.
शक्तिमान आहे ना.
इंडियाचा एक सुपर हिरो आहे तो फक्त.
अरे नाही माहित.
तुला माहिती आहे का? He knows. Very good. We will introduce you to Shaktiman.
Yes.
We will introduce you to. Okay.
Why
Yes.
didn't the other Besharam Launde के members come today?
Because see, as I told you, we don't force anybody. ठीक है, हमने उनको बोल दिया कि ऐसा ऐसी चीज़ है, बट दे आर ऑलरेडी, उनका थोड़ा
They're caught up with their own.
their own work, और कैसे सब शॉर्ट नोटिस पे हो गया ना, फिर आप भी बोल दी कि लेट्स डू इट, तो फिर आप भी तो फ्री नहीं रहते हो मंडे टू फ्राइडे, आप दोनों की भी स्कूल होते हैं, तो फिर इसलिए वही रीज़न की वजह से है कि अभी, बट आई गेस ये चीज़ देख के दे विल वांट टू कम नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Yeah.
Then you all keep your questions ready for them also.
Yes.
Whatever questions you have. Yes,
They will love it, I know.
they will love it. Yes. Anything else?
Like I have a concert abhi.
He's
अबे?
yeah, 6 o'clock.
आज?
Yeah, आज yes 6
कब
o'clock.
किधर?
अभी anti-social में मेरा performance है with Claddin करके.
हाँ, तो
Claddin?
Claddin Shadow.
बैंड का नाम है Claddin Shadows.
Sorry, अगर गलत बोला होगा तो.
मुझे पता नहीं यार.
ऋषिन करके है उनके साथ बजा.
तो he's
अच्छा, okay.
so basically उसका sound check है, but वो
It's okay. 4 songs only.
4 songs.
Four.
Megadeth song.
Four.
Yeah. Anything else?
तो guys, बेशरम लौंडे. So
हाँ, बोलो
from the
भाई.
beginning, I've had a question which
Okay.
is
I mean, should I
really बेशरम, you
should I
know.
be scared about it? Should we be scared about it?
Maybe not.
Okay.
Maybe I should be scared about it.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you all know what you all are doing? Are you all actual rock stars, or are you all just homeless guys with guitars?
I mean, it can be a little bit of
Jobless job.
both.
Maybe both.
Maybe a bit of both. Like, what do rock stars do? Yeah, rock stars get up in the morning, go to the gym,
Huh?
eat clean food, nice, okay, get a guitar, try writing a song.
Huh?
अगर हो गया तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं हो गया तो अच्छी बात है. Then read a few books,
Yeah.
so that it helps to write. So basically, people think rock stars are very
Yeah, they're just careless.
or reckless, or you don't have responsibilities, but we are a little different. We go to the gym, eat clean food, read books, have good people around. Like, see, you guys, so amazing people, you are around us and we are around you guys, so in a way it's very nice. So rock stars, these kind of rock stars, I mean, like the ones you are talking with right now, are
Combination of both.
Yes.
yeah, combination of both. Yeah, chill. So that's a very good question actually.
Very good. I'm
Lovely.
jobless because I'm a student right now.
He's still starting, so
Yeah.
it works. Yeah. Now
So-
go ahead with all the other questions.
तो हम अभी एक और पर्सनल वाला है. तो
अच्छा.
why बेशरम लौंडे? Like, did you all run out of अच्छे वाले names?
I mean, the point of that, keeping the name बेशरम लौंडे वही था कि लोग बोले कि भाई
यही पूछे.
यही पूछे
क्यों भाई?
कि क्यों भाई,
क्यों?
दूसरा कुछ मिला नहीं क्या आपको? मतलब इतने सारे अच्छे नाम थे दुनिया में और आपको सिर्फ बेशरम लौंडे ही क्यों रखना था वो?
और हमें
मतलब
वो प्रश्न अच्छा लग रहा है.
पर अगर फंक्शन को गए फैमिली का
हाँ.
और कोई आंटी पूछते आप बैंड में हो ना,
हाँ.
क्या बोलने क्या वाले हो आप बैंड का नाम पूछे तो?
पहली बात तो
Try not to get
हम
slapped.
one hand distance दूर रहेंगे.
पहली बात तो आंटी आके पूछती ही नहीं कोई कि वो ऑलरेडी बोल चुके यार क्या करना है करो, क्यों पूछते हो? तो वैसे ही होता है यार, मतलब वैसे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब वी न्यू
हाँ.
कि भाई ये
हो जाएगा.
सेंसलेस चीज है,
Yeah.
बट फन भी है, मतलब वो
हाँ.
अट्रैक्टिव भी है वो नाम, एंड वो इवन इट सिग्निफाइज
Us.
us as a band also, like as individuals we all are a little bit,
Senseless name. We are trying to make sense of it.
yeah,
Yes.
and it associates with a lot of people, so
Yeah.
overall we like it. Yeah, you had some questions, you were saying you wanted to ask me some questions or ask some
Yes.
questions.
Who's the laziest member of your Besharam Blonde?
We all are going to say us, like he's going to say he's the laziest, I'm going to say I'm the laziest.
Yeah.
If you ask Chirai will say he's the laziest or if you ask Anish,
Who's the most laziest?
बताओ आप बोलो.
we haven't actually spent time together that much to understand
I
कि,
feel like the most laziest is me because I sleep at 3 a.m. I get up around 5 a.m. just to work out, then I sleep again.
but he gets up to work out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that doesn't make you lazy. You're getting up to work out. क्या है ये lazy? How does that make you lazy? So the way it depends on the mood.
Yeah.
आज के दिन कभी शायद अक्षत बहुत लेजी होगा,
मन नहीं हुआ कुछ करने का तो हम बैठ के चाय पी लेते.
जैसे कि कभी आपको भी लगता है ना कि भाई यार आज मुझे मूड नहीं है, दूसरे दिन लगता है कि like आफ्टर 5 seconds you will like oh wow amazing. तो it depends on the mood. So I cannot like say
हो
anybody
जाता है,
who's like the laziest of all.
Yeah. So then, who gets the most attention out of all of y'all?
Not me. मैं घर के बाहर तो जाता हूँ. I mean, not me. So
बिना इंस्टा बिना कांटेक्ट हाउ सबसे ज्यादा.
वैसे कुछ नहीं. See, मतलब
Explore.
everybody have their own stuff. Chirayu has his own stuff.
I
Akshat
guess
has
Chirayu.
Chirayu.
Yeah.
Like he especially when he had his long hair.
He has this aura around him.
Like you know, a very you should meet him next time. Very cool. Yeah,
Goofy
so goofy guy, and his style also is he is like effortless.
Yeah.
Just be there and
वो बनियान में भी आ जाता, बढ़िया लगता है.
बॉडी बड़ी है सब. और एक बात बतानी है सबको, सब लोग जिम जाते हैं, बेशरम लौंडे वाले जो भी है ना, चारों लोग जिम जाते हैं.
जिम जाता.
और
Anish का क्या हुआ?
अनिश
हाँ, चारों हो गए.
हाँ, चार हो गए ना. हाँ, चारों
तो पावर लिफ्टर है.
सब लोग जिम जाते हैं भाई, सब लोग डिसिप्लिन फॉलो करते हैं सब लोग. तो इसलिए हमको वो भी मजा आता है. तो वो भी एक बॉयज की इधर रिलेट होता है वो, लाइक यू नो,
Yeah.
गेट अप ऑन टाइम, वर्क ऑन टाइम, डू दिस ऑन टाइम. यस.
एक शब्द
हाँ.
बेशरम लौंडे के लिए फैंस.
एक शब्द
बेशरम लौंडे के लिए
लाइक फैंस के लिए बताने के लिए अगर एक शब्द बताना हो तो क्या बताओगे? बेशरम लौंडे इन वन वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करना है तो
क्या बोल.
फर्जी.
अरे फर्जी नहीं यार, ऐसा बोल, फर्जी मतलब फेक लगता. क्या रहेगा? बेशरम मतलब बी योरसेल्फ, ऑथेंटिक.
One word he said.
ऑथेंटिक.
Authentic.
रियल.
फैंस डिस्क्राइब.
बस डिस्क्राइब अस. यू आस्किंग डिस्क्राइब अस. वो तो
Sexy.
वो तो शायद जब वो गाने सुनेंगे हमारे देन तब बता सकते हैं.
Beautiful.
But
wow.
Hey, wait. Before the fans, how would you describe us?
Yeah.
You both. Like you have known us for like what 15-20 minutes. So how would you describe? You one word.
You are very, very chill people.
Very chill people. Thank you.
Very chill people.
मुंतज़िर. Wow. Okay. What does मुंतज़िर mean? यार पता ही नहीं यार वो. मेरे को. Hey, if anybody knows what's मुंतज़िर, comment कर दो यार. हमको भी पता
लाइक भी
नहीं.
करना चाहते हैं.
लाइक भी करना साथ में.
Yeah, so y'all are talking so much about how this is all you've been learning since so long. You've been doing so much. Such emotional bonds and stuff you all have, and you've been talking about that for the past half an hour.
Okay.
But now, y'all have been talking this whole time, but it's time to show now what you can do.
I mean.
तो बता तो सही ना,
Why not?
दिखा तो सही, बजा के दिखा.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि
Anand.
I'm wondering if you're asking me a question or you're bullying us.
This is straight up bullying. Dude.
Hey,
नहीं, you have to walk.
ठीक है.
I came here with a motive.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
अभी दिखाना तो सही.
Why not?
पॉइंट क्या है? मतलब अभी ये जो गाना है ना, किसी ने सुना ही नहीं है, तो probably आप लोग पहले रहेंगे ना ये लोग.
Yeah, definitely.
So like this will be the first song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. ठीक है. तो बताना आप, ठीक है, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
क्यों यहाँ खड़ा है ये बेदर्द सरफिरा गुमशुदा हर दफा जाने वो कहीं भूल ना जाए तेरी बातें मिले ना कभी तेरे संग जो भीगी बातें कैसी बेखुदी बेपनाह यूं सदा क्यों रहनुमा ये सजा दर्द में बेशुमार सा तू कहाँ मैं कहाँ पे हूँ.
Yay!
Man, the singing.
बेशरम.
Arey, the singing was fire.
Thank you, man.
I'm Rivan,
And I'm Abhidam.
and we have officially roasted Besham Londe.
Or
Or at least tried to, you know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You were
This
successful.
is Sigma Boys signing out. Stay Sigma.
And stay shameless. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
Cool, so cool. Okay. I mean, like, yeah, these guys are like cool. You guys are called Sigma Boys.
Yes.
Sigma Boys. So yeah, it was fun for us.
It's fun for us. Really loved it.
We'll do again.
Yeah.
We roasted.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Never been there. But anyways, thank you. I hope like you will call us eventually
Yes.
and we can make this a thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, come.
Yes. Okay, fine. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.